Welcome back to Culinary Museum, where we turn the gourmet dreams into reality. Today's dish is a symphony of flavor, starting with creamy rich Burratina cheese with stuffed prosciutto and heirloom tomato, and finish it with beetroot emulsions. Now first thing, the beetroot emulsion. We're gonna drag the sauce to the other side of the plate. Then Burratina, just right in the center here. Now we're seasoning the heirloom tomato, so olive oil, black pepper, and salt. Truffle paste, then we'll mix all together. Then now we start to put the seasoning heirloom tomato, another one on the other side. Then the dark prosciutto, just around here. Prosciutto. Slice of truffle. Another slice of truffle. And then finish with black pepper. Now we'll explain the dish. So first we have beetroot emulsions in the bottom, and then we have the Burratina in the center, heirloom tomato in both sides, and then the back prosciutto, sliced truffle, and finishing with rosemary. Thank you for joining me in a culinary journey. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What ingredient are you most excited to try in this dish?